Hey there, and welcome to Asset Zenith, where we talk money in a way that's clear, simple, and actually useful. If you've ever looked at your bank account and wondered, where did all my money go? Or if saving feels impossible, this video is for you. Today, we're diving deep into a super practical guide, how to build a budget, and more importantly, how to stick to it. Let's get started. Part 1. Why budgeting even matters. Picture this. You're driving with no destination, no map. Budgeting is that map. It shows you where you're going and how to get there. It's not about restricting your spending. It's about spending with purpose and getting real results. With a solid budget, you know exactly where your money is going. Worry less every time you check your balance. And most importantly, take control of your money instead of letting it control you. Part 2. Where to begin. Before anything else, take a good look at where you stand right now. Know your actual income, what you take home after taxes. Track your spending, every cent. Use an app, a spreadsheet, or just a notebook, but be consistent. Set clear financial goals. Do you want to pay off debt? Save for a house, or just end the month with extra money? Write it down. Be specific. Part 3. Choose a budgeting method that works for you. Let's go over 3 popular, easy-to-follow methods. Method 1. The 50-30-20 rule. 50% goes to needs, 30% to wants, 20% to savings or debt payments. Simple, flexible, great for beginners. Method 2. Zero-based budget. Here, every single dollar has a job. When you add up your expenses, savings, and payments, it equals your income exactly. Method 3. Pay yourself first. As soon as you get paid, you immediately set aside money for saving or investing. Then, you budget the rest. No method is best. Choose what feels natural and sustainable for you. Part 4. How to stick to your budget daily. Here's the tough part. Not just planning, but actually following through. Automate everything. Transfers, bill payments, savings. The less you think, the more you succeed. Check in regularly. Weekly. See if you're overspending anywhere. Monthly. Review, adjust, and prep for the next month. Use the envelope system. Physical cash or digital wallets. When a category runs out, you stop spending. And remember, slipping up is part of the process. Don't quit. Just adjust and keep going. Part 5. Common mistakes to avoid underestimating expenses. Forgetting irregular costs, like car repairs, holidays, or subscriptions. Being too strict and giving up fast. Not aligning with your partner or household. Budgeting should match your real life, not an unrealistic version of it. Part 6. Tools to make budgeting easier. Here are some tools people love. YNAB, you need a budget. Great for zero-based budgeting. Money Lover or MISA, popular in Vietnam, Google Sheets or Notion. If you like customizing things, even banking apps often have built-in budgeting features. Try a few and see what clicks. Part 7. The mindset for long-term success. Think long-term. Don't compare your money journey to others. Everyone's story is different. And most importantly, learn to delay gratification. That's the foundation of building real wealth. Quick recap. Budgeting isn't about limitation. It's about intention. It's your roadmap to financial freedom. And remember, you don't have to be perfect. Just start and improve as you go. Community moment. What's been the hardest part of budgeting for you? Have you tried any of these methods before? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you and grow together as a community here on Asset Zenith. Closing words. Thanks so much for listening all the way to the end. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Asset Zenith. We've got plenty more financial wisdom coming your way. Until next time, stay focused, stay consistent, and take charge of your money.